Hello, I'm attorney LaKanya Murray. I'm the founder of Off the Mark IP Solutions, where we assist clients throughout the United States with trademarks, copyrights, patents, and business development solutions. I'm also the founder of 30 Days to Launch, which is a digital academy that takes new entrepreneurs from where do I start to I got this by allowing them to learn legal and business basics at their own pace. How great is that? Well, I'm here today with a new series called For the Culture. And during this 5-minute series, what we're going to do is use real-world examples to explain trademarks, copyrights, patents, and business development. This is my most favorite thing to do. If you see a story you'd like to feature on For the Culture, make sure to email us at hello@offthemarkipsolutions.com, or you can PM us on any of our social media channels. We're on LinkedIn, Facebook, and Instagram. Well, today we got a good one for you. We're talking about Cabbage Patch Kids. Who doesn't love these hard-headed, cute, adorable dogs? Some of my fondest memories is me chasing my little brother around the house, trying to beat the crap out of him with my my Cabbage Patch doll. Like, I love these dolls so much that I even start purchasing them for my daughters. Every year for Christmas, they would get a Cabbage Patch doll, my two youngest girls. And fortunately for me, I guess, and for them, they don't use them as weapons. Somehow the dolls just mysteriously become covered with Vaseline. Have no idea how that happened. Anyway, I recently came across a story that I really wanted to share because it shows how some work can be protected by copyrights. So Cabbage Patch Kids were originally called Little Pal People or People Pals, and the concept then was the same as they are now, where the dolls were adopted rather than purchased. The founder, Xavier, he even built a store that resembled a hospital so that the kids can come in to adopt their kids, and people could not get enough of their dolls. 4 years after he created them, he entered into a licensing deal with the company, and they changed the name from Little People Pals to Cabbage Patch Kids. And that sounds good, right? Well, here's the thing. Xavier actually started his business by selling dolls from an artist called Martha Nelson Thomas, and her dolls were called Doll Babies, and she sold them at local craft stores. And she originally came up with the concept that her dolls would be adopted rather than purchased, and even had birth certificates. And so what Xavier would do is he would purchase the dolls, and then he would resell them at a higher price. And when she found out, she was like, dude, stop that. That is not cool. And so what he said was, if you don't let me sell your dolls, I'm just going to recreate them and sell them myself. And that's what he did. So even though she created these dolls back in the late 1970s, you know what she didn't do? She never filed a copyright for it. And so she never filed a copyright for it. But she did file a lawsuit for infringement like in 75, and 10 years later it finally went to court. But the parties ended up settling. She didn't get rich off of it, but she made enough to be able to send her kids to college. Then that's what she said, and she died. Miss Thomas died in 2013 from ovarian cancer. Well, here's the 3 things I want you to take away from this story. 1, copyrights protect original works, which can include dolls. 2, you cannot file a federal copyright lawsuit without filing for the federal copyright. 3, you need to file for your copyright before the infringement happens. This means before you publish your work, okay? And if you don't intend to publish it, as soon as it's created. If you fail to file your copyright within 3 months of publishing your work, you are not eligible for some of the most important remedies, which are statutory damages and attorney fees. Statutory damages allow the courts to award you an additional amount up to a minimum from $750 up to $150,000. That's on top of whatever actual damages you have that will cost you because of the copyright infringement. Okay? So that is today's For the Culture. Tell me what you think about this new series. Do you like it? Do you love it? Do you say, that's kind of whack? I don't know. I love it. Like I said, my most favorite thing to do is give real world examples, and I love how this Cabbage Patch story is really unfortunate. It really shows how artists can easily be taken advantage of, and how important it is to protect your work. Protect your work. File the copyright. File it often. File it fast. And if you need help found it, you can absolutely contact offthemarkipsolutions.com because that's what we do. You can call us at 334-523-0022 or even email us at hello@offthemarkipsolutions.com. Talk to you later.